All right, what's up, guys? We just wrapped up a awesome golf simulator installation. I'm just going to take you through it real quick so that you can check out what we utilized. And if maybe you're looking for one of these in your own home or you're looking to build one yourself, you can kind of get some ideas. So we ended up doing a ceiling-mounted projector. We were fortunate to come in and pre-wire this entire space. So we have Smurf pipe that runs from here all the way back down to our cart area. For the launch monitor, it is a Foresight Sports Falcon. The enclosure is also Foresight Sports. We are dealers for them, but you can purchase their sim in a box right on their website as well. We offer the installation services. We ended up doing a fiber built hitting mat, which in my opinion is the best of the best. Here you can see the entire launch monitor system. It runs with a cat cable back to our area here, which gives it the local internet to it. As far as the cart goes, it gets a small PC that runs in it. We have a Sonos amp in here as well, which is powering these in-wall speakers. And then we have a small Ubiquity switch over on the side, which is running our feed. We have a massive network rack in this house that's doing all of the upstairs. But while we were finishing this basement, we ran just a single line down and put a switch down here. It just made more sense and it was easier in the scenario. We ended up doing a 4-port Keystone back here, which is doing the switch feed, your Sonos amp, the Foresight equipment, and a miscellaneous spare. Like I mentioned, we ran Smurf pipe, so conduit up to that projector to future-proof anything that we may need. Unfortunately, HDMIs do occasionally fail, but this was an awesome install. We worked with the builder, so they excavated 18 inches of the basement down and out so that we could fit this in here. If you're interested in the specs or the size of it, I'll put them in the description below. We also ran Lutron throughout the entire basement, so it's a this is a homework system where we'll be doing Lutron on the other 2 floors as well. But I figured I'd show you guys an example of the Sonata keypad. So we went in and we have all of his pre-labeled pieces on here so you can test them before we get them engraved. But I appreciate you watching the video. Enjoy.